Have you ever thought about how much distance we actually travel? How will you know if you're able to walk up to the nearest markets?
Mm, I just see on Google Maps.
Arjun. Well, that is true now because you can just search it up. But earlier, it was necessary to know how far the place was and what means of transportation could get you there.
Yes, Dad.
Come on here, Arjun. I'm planning to put a study table here. How do you think I can know the size of the table that I can put in this space?
We measure the area and get a desk accordingly.
Exactly. Now, here is the table I want to put in this space. The family of this house claims that they want their children to share this study room.
Alright, Dad.
And, very importantly, the mother has informed us that we divide the table equally so that the kids don't fight.
So it's like using a ruler to measure things?
Yes, exactly. But sometimes we can use other objects to measure the length as well. Let me show you an example. See the string, Arjun? Let us say that the string represents a gilli and this pencil here represents a danda. We will use this gilli and danda to measure the table now.
Okay.
Now let's measure this table. It's twice the length of a danda and 2 gillis.
So the table is 2 dandas and 2 gillies long.
You're absolutely right, son.
And how about marking it in half for the kids, Dad?
When dividing the table in half, we will measure and mark it. Like in this instance, the table was 2 gillies and 2 dandas. What do you think is the half?
If 2 gilli and 2 danda was the length of the whole table, the half would be 1 gilli and 1 danda.
Superb. So, this will be the half.
That was a little complicated, but I understand it now.
Well done, Arjun. I knew you were smart enough to make it through.
Thank you, Dad.
Come on. You see these furniture here? They're all of different sizes. Some are small and some are big.
I see. Like this coffee table is small and that sofa is huge.
Exactly. Now, how about we measure some of them?
Dad, this table is the measurement of 2 danda and 1 gilli. But there is still some small area that is smaller than the gilli. What should I do? What can I use?
Using a string is a trick that you can try. The length of the string can be measured by marking 2 points on it. The width of the desk can be determined using this method.
That sounds smart. But what happens though if I have to measure even shorter distances?
Excellent question. The string can be folded and marked into eighths, quarters, and halves of the same string. We can measure the lengths with extreme accuracy this way.
How so, Dad?
Let me demonstrate.